Texans Water Heaters is Houston's water heater specialist. All we do are water heaters, tankless and conventional. I'm actively involved in each one of our installations. The installation takes about 2 hours. We're going to do it the same day, and we travel Houston and beyond. Half of our clients have never replaced a water heater. The number one question we get asked is, when do we replace our water heaters? There's no complicated test. It's simple. If it's 10 years old, it's time to replace. Our fleet is state of the art, and each one of our vehicles can handle 4 installations at once. Houston loves us, and we've grown so much through the years. That's why we had to expand our team to maintain that standard. We're family owned and operated. We don't run on commissions, and we're not there to meet quotas. Our number one goal is to provide the best service in Houston. Please visit our showroom. All our water heaters are on display. It's the best way to learn about your water heater, schedule your installation, or take one home with you. A huge chunk of our business comes from repeat customers. Word of mouth makes up a big portion of our business. Don't take my word for it. Just look at all the 5-star reviews we have online. We're BBB accredited and Angie's List A rated.